In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. To begin, open Canva and log into your account so you can save and export your work without interruptions. From the home screen, click Create a Design. In the search field, type A4 or US letter, then select the size that fits your audience. A4 is common internationally, while US letter is standard in the United States. Choosing the right page size up front ensures your planner prints correctly without scaling or cutoff. With your blank page ready, go to the Elements tab. Use the search bar to find lines, boxes, tables, or planner. Drag in simple lines for dividers, rectangles for boxes, and tables if you want quick grids. Keep your margins generous so nothing gets too close to the edge, and use alignment guides to keep everything neat and consistent. You can duplicate shapes to maintain equal sizing and spacing, which helps your planner look cohesive. Now build your layout. Think about what you want included, like daily boxes, a weekly spread, a habit tracker, or a goals section. Arrange your sections logically, giving enough room to write. For example, daily boxes should have ample space for tasks, while a habit tracker can be compact with clear check areas. Keep visual hierarchy in mind: larger headers, medium subheaders, and lighter lines for structure. Add text by selecting the text tool. Choose clear, easy-to-read fonts, and limit yourself to 1 or 2 complementary styles to keep it professional. Adjust letter spacing and line spacing so there's comfortable room for handwriting once printed. If you plan for people to write with pens or markers, avoid very thin fonts or overly light gray tones that may be hard to see. Once your first page is set, duplicate the page to create additional planner pages. This keeps your layout consistent while letting you tweak small details, like swapping a weekly spread for a monthly overview or changing prompts in your goals section, without rebuilding from scratch. When you're ready to export, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print for the highest quality, which is best if you plan to sell your planner as a printable product. Turn on Flatten PDF. This is important because it reduces the chance of elements shifting, embeds the artwork properly, and generally protects your layout from unwanted editing. Download your planner file and save it in a clearly labeled folder. Finally, upload your PDF to your online store, whether that's Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Follow the platform's upload process. Ensure the file name is clear, and you're ready to list and deliver your planner to customers.